Alright guys, this is a thing called Tetramku. It is a celebration, it's a lunar month, moon celebration, where they have candles. There's no candles lit right now, and I look kind of funny, but yeah, I'm going to take you guys through this place. We're going to go for a motorcycle ride, but you guys can check this out. It's raining. It's raining pretty hard now. But it's raining. Getting ready for it's like a moon festival or something or other, I'm not sure. But yeah, there's people lined up. That's what it looks like, folks.